a surge in greenhouse gas carbon dioxide emissions. With countries all over the world, climate change is a major challenge faced by the current human society. From the United Nations General Assembly in 2020, China announced to the world for the first time that China emission peak and carbon neutrality. So far, there have been hundreds of countries and regions to carbon neutral goal commitment. Carbon neutral become an unstoppable trend. Greenpeace is committed to the highest strategic mission of promoting a greener, peaceful, and sustainable world. To build a clean and beautiful world of lasting peace and common prosperity, with green mountains, clear waters, and picturesque landscapes. It's a 1,000-year project concerning sustainable global development. As a global environmental organization, in the process of concept to practice, has always been committed to protecting the Earth's environment and world peace, ushered in the blockchain technology application of revolutionary innovation. New era of digital economy worldwide implements the green environmental protection with blockchain technology and to the perfect fusion of the new era of digital economy. Press the fast forward button for the global energy clean low-carbon transition. Greenpeace cooperated with numbers of international environmental protection organizations to launch the Zero Carbon Fund Plan Public Welfare Environmental Protection Startup Fund and initiated a Greenpeace project with a fund of $100 million. GEF has set up 5 different green incentive funds, which are Solid Waste Treatment Fund, Waste Incineration Power Generation Fund, Afforestation Fund, Renewable Energy Recovery Fund, and Wastewater Organic Treatment Fund. Using blockchain technology, Greenpeace creates a fair and transparent lottery incentive environment. Users need to purchase green seeds to participate in the lottery and receive green fund vouchers. Activities are divided into multiple levels. Different levels of activities need different amounts of green seeds. The middle person will use a voucher to exchange a venture fund project randomly. The activity is divided into groups of 10 people. Each time there is a winning user. The money invested by the user will be allocated to various funds and then awarded to all participants. The platform adopts the invitation system, and each environmental protection volunteer who share more volunteers to protect the Earth's environment will get extra rewards. From V1 to V5 levels of team awards correspond to enthusiasts 1 stars, volunteers 2 stars, elite of low carbon 3 stars, green ambassadors 4 stars, and guardians of the earth 5 stars, which means that inviting more users will lead to higher rewards. Since its establishment, relying on multi-industry cluster ecology, it has distributed in more than 50 countries around the world with more than millions of supporters. Change, a paean to low carbon and zero carbon. Greenpeace leads the global trend of sustainable development and hand in hand with the world to realize the great mission of global environmental protection.